Want to change the email address associated with your Slack account? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Slack email address on your iPhone. First, open the Slack app on your iPhone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. And select Preferences, then scroll down and tap Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings in your web browser. On the Account Settings page, find the Email Address section and tap Expand or Change Email Address. Enter your new email address, then type your Slack account password to verify your identity. Tap Update Email to save your changes. Slack will send a verification email to your new email address. Open the email and click the confirmation link to complete the update. Once verified, your new email address will be linked to your Slack account. And that's it. That's how you can change your email address in Slack on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone and Slack tutorials, and comment down below what tutorial you'd like to see next.